What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm testing out a new microphone, and I'm also doing a small order today of a design that I did last week. So if you guys want to see what I'm printing, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
All right, this order that I have right here, this is what I'm going to be printing, if you guys can see it, and it's got a pocket logo right there that's partially covered by ink. So what I'm going to be doing is I had a few shirts that had an issue. I kind of messed them up, y'all. I was printing the 2X. I actually put it down, the logo, the pocket logo down a little bit too far, so I have to reprint some shirts. And then he also saw another color combo that I did with the Texas orange, so he wants one in the Texas orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the package of shirts and also show you guys some other things I'll be printing at a later time, and then I'm gonna get started printing. I guess that's, let me see. Try to find a spot to cut that's probably would have been safer to use scissors with this. All right, so I got it right here, and I'm finding out with this new mic I don't have to talk loud at all. All right, so I got a Texas orange shirt right here, and I actually, because I messed up last time, I got extra shirts just in case. The green one, and this is not even, oh well, it'll be okay. It's not the same color green I ordered last time somehow. So I got these that I'll be printing, and check out these bags right here, y'all. I'll be printing these bags also. They nice. I was thinking about going lime on them, but I'm gonna have to decide what color I'm gonna be printing on them. Alrighty, I'm going to just do a little test print and see how everything is going. I got this whole other shirt that I messed up last time that I'm gonna test print on. And then I gotta switch out the ink, because I had forgot. Let me see. I'm going to heat that up a little bit. Then I got to switch out this ink because I forgot. Well, I don't have to switch it out right away. I'm going to do the other print first. I have to switch the ink to the polyester ink next. Y'all, off camera, I just had an accident. See that? All that ink. I just had an ink drop, a nasty ink spill. All right, my bad, y'all. I forgot to film. I wasn't filming for this first print. I'm gonna get this second one right here. Gotta go around here and make sure the temp is right. All right, Print Squad. Right here I have all the shirts finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in a bag because it's only 3 of them, so that I can drop them off to my customer once I leave here today. And that's about all I have for you guys today. If you like the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV, and also subscribe to the Red channel because I do daily live streams on there Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. Central Time. So y'all be sure to subscribe to that channel if you haven't yet. And also join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And I have links below this video in case you're interested in any of the items that I use to print. If you're interested in any of the equipment and supplies that I use to print t-shirts. So be sure to check for those down below. So be sure to use my links. I have them below the video. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in another video. Print Squad out.